Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel, bro. In this video, I want to show you how to start deving meme coins. I will do a step-by-step tutorial showing you the best tools, how to use them, where to launch your meme coins, and I will even top it off with a live example all in this video, bro. If you are unprofitable and you want to be profitable with meme coins, well, this video might be for you. Watch until the end and you will learn a new strategy for completely free. Let's go. And by the way, bro, if you haven't subscribed, well, subscribe, bro. Let's fucking go. I want to run up this channel. Anyways, in this video, I will be showing you guys exactly how to launch a meme coin, how to get attention organically, and then how to cash out. And I will do a live example in this video. Now, most people still trade meme coins, and that's the problem with being unprofitable. For example, they would buy into a coin and then they would get completely dumped on, and the people who make the most amount of money off of these traders are the devs. You guys need to realize that the devs are making way more money than the traders, and that's a fucking fact. You guys can go check the wallets of these devs. They're printing way more than the fucking traders. For example, this guy made 1.35k off of this coin and he's the top trader. But guess what? The dev maybe made around 10k off this coin because it went to a $60,000 market cap and he had nothing to lose. All he did was he found a narrative and he launched it. Now that's exactly why in this video, bro, I will be showing you my deving strategy on how to launch the best coins with the best narratives. I will even do a live example, right? All in this video. I do not sell a course. It's completely free, bro. This video is the fucking course, okay? Now let's get right into it. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. You can do whatever the fuck you want. Do your own research, okay? But I am just here to educate all of you. Now, bro, the best platform to launch meme coins is actually not Pump.Fun. I know most devs make their coins on Pump.Fun, but the truth is that there's too many people launching here every single second. 5 seconds ago, 10 seconds ago, there's too many coins launching and it's overflooded. Only people who has a bunch of motion on their wallets will stand out. If you are brand new to deving, bro, you will not stand out. You will not make any money. That's exactly why I launched my meme coins on the migrate section. The migrate section is completely different than the new pair section because here is where a bunch of people are going to buy your coin. There's a bunch of volume and here is just really more profitable than Pump.Fun. Now to get a coin on the migrate section, okay, you'll need to make a coin on Pump.Fun and that coin needs to reach a $60,000 market cap. But what if I told you there's actually a different way to launch your meme coins on the migrate section, and most devs do not even know this? It's create meme.io. Every single launch you do on this platform, it goes to Raydium and it will be immediately migrated. It will level up directly from Pump.Fun to Raydium, and that's exactly the method that I run every single day. Now, to make a coin here, bro, there's two different ways, and it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want. The first method is to create a whole new coin from scratch. To create a coin from scratch, you'll need to find a narrative or something viral in the culture. It could be anything, right? It could be a war meme, it could be, it could be any type of news, it could be any narrative, anything, okay? And then you would just make your coin here. But I personally just run the copy trending coins method every single day, and that leads to the second method, which I highly recommend. It's the vamping method. Basically, all these coins here have a good narrative, they're all going viral, they all have a fucking proven community, and the method here is to copy a coin to Raydium. So you will copy the exact same coin with the exact same name, ticker symbol, image, and social medias to Raydium, okay? You will have a brand new coin, but it's a copy from this one, and that's exactly what we're going to do to attract a bunch of people and to convert traders into your coin. And yeah, bro, I will do an example. Alright, now it's time for the example. We will launch a coin and see how much we can make. We could either make 100, we could make break even 1,000, or you never know, 100,000. But yeah, click. Well, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, and then you can click on refresh. Copy a coin. Why is it refreshing like that? Click on refresh, and then all the coins should pop up. Yes, sir. I'm gonna copy the. Which one should I copy? I don't really care which one, to be honest. Rosie, click on copy the Raydium, wait for Phantom to show up. Ignore the fucking block from Phantom, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied. Just give it some time for it to load and for it to show up. When it shows up, bro, we will create our liquidity pool right here. Create liquidity pool. And now it's time to create our liquidity pool. When this step is done, it will be live and people will be able to buy in, and we will have supply in our own coin. And that's exactly how we are going to make profits as devs. You need to get some supply for your own like profits, right? Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will put whatever 90% is for the coins. In this case, it's going to be 900 million coins. Right under for the amount of soul to pair, that is where you will be exchanging some of your soul for some supply in your coin, and that's exactly how you are going to make some profits from this coin. It's from your supply. Okay, when people buy right after you, your supply will increase in value, and then at the end you will be able to cash it out. Okay, you are not losing this soul, by the way. It will come back to you at the end when you remove the liquidity pool, so it's not like if you spent anything, right? 0.3 soul is what I'm going to put. Click crit pool, wait for Phantom White to show up in a couple of seconds. Just fucking wait, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and boom, the Rosie coin is now created, and your PNL is going to be right there, by the way, alongside, you know, the other settings. And if you click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, now $171 worth of people are fucking buying in, and that's actually insane. That means that our narrative is good. Now, click on view on Photon, go on Axum, go wherever the fuck you want to see your coin. Let me go on full screen. It should be live in a couple of seconds, bro. Let's fucking go. And now the coin is live, okay? Okay, we're already up like fucking $200. People are buying in. This is a really great sign. Come on, bro, more people. Why is it slowing down? $40, $76. Oh my god, we're up like $300 already. This is absolutely insane. $20. It's all green candles. Guys, this is exactly why you have to start deving. I'm not even joking. Literally stop trading and start making coins on Create Meme on Raydium. It's actually insane, bro. Like, this coin costed us nothing to make, like literally $0. Oh my god, yo, we're up like $500 already. Like, this is actually insane. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. Okay, when I come back after the quick break or after the quick time lapse, we will cash out. You guys will see. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 10k market cap, 3k liquidity. Things are actually fucking insane, okay? This is exactly what we like to see. Now come back to create meme.io, and now we are going to cash out our profits. Click on refresh first of all. And as you guys can see here, bro, 1.9k is what we are up in profits on this coin. It's around 22 SOL. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, okay, to remove all. It's up to you if you want to do less or the full amount. Then remove liquidity, then just wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish, okay? Now look, if I open my Phantom wallet, bang, the payout is instant in your Phantom wallet, and then you can just rinse and repeat that method over and over again. Obviously, it's all for educational purposes only. You can do whatever the fuck you want, but the results will vary from coin to coin. You might make 10k off of one coin, 5k, $500, $0, $20, you never know. Just be consistent, and please, bro, like, comment, subscribe, and watch my other videos or my future ones when they come out. Peace out.